According to multiple studies published in journals like Gastroenterology and American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, there appears to be a growing number of people with celiac disease whose bodies have failed to heal the damaged gut after 6 months or more on a gluten-free diet. So-called refractory celiac disease is not that uncommon, and researchers suspect that these individuals are somehow being exposed to gluten through cross-contamination. But I believe it is more than that. You see, in order for an autoimmune condition to occur, 3 crucial elements must exist. 1. A genetic predisposition. 2. An environmental trigger, in this case being gluten. And 3. A leaky gut. With the amount of processed, genetically modified, pesticide-laden foods in the standard American diet, it is no wonder that autoimmune disease is on the rise. My approach to healing celiac involves removing the toxic components from the diet so that celiac disease becomes only a distant memory, not something that you must struggle with every day for the rest of your life. This approach has worked for me and my clients, and it can work for you as well. When it comes to health, I would have to say that I'm more of a long-term thinker. I believe it is important to regain a balanced state of health as quickly and as thoroughly as possible because the damage from celiac disease, if allowed to persist, will continue to wreak havoc on the body over time. According to Dr. Amy Myers, a well-known functional medical doctor who specializes in gluten sensitivities, individuals with celiac disease are likely to develop, on average, 3 more autoimmune conditions during their life. This can include anything from joint disorders like rheumatoid arthritis to nerve disorders such as MS and ALS. The proposed reason for this is that because of the modern American diet, the gut remains in a state of disrepair, allowing undigested food particles, toxins, and complex proteins into the bloodstream where antibodies continue to attack. Individuals with celiac disease are more susceptible to malnutrition, bone loss, lactose intolerance, irritability and depression, having low birth weight babies, dental defects, seizures, and lymphoma or bowel cancer. Aside from these unfortunate and preventable consequences, there is mounting evidence to suggest a link between gut damage and schizophrenia, as well as other disorders of psychological imbalance. However, I want to note that having celiac disease or any other autoimmune disorder is not a death sentence. And it doesn't mean that you have to accumulate other autoimmune conditions or psychological disorders. There is a way to heal the body so that it stops doing more damage. And when you give the body the right tools to fix the problems, it does so with incredible accuracy and precision. To learn more about how to start the Living Celiac nutrition and lifestyle change, click on the How Can I Help icon on the homepage. Remember, there is hope to regain your health and to live the life that you want without detrimental health issues blocking your path. How ready are you?